Welcome to WIC. WIC stands for Women, Infants, and Children. WIC is a supplemental nutrition program that provides nutrition services and healthy foods to Utah families. It does not provide all the food you or your child needs every day, but it helps. At WIC, you can learn how to feed your baby, shop on a budget, prepare quick, nutritious meals, and many other helpful tips. You will have regular appointments at the WIC clinic, and some may be completed through phone or video calls. You'll speak with WIC staff and receive one-on-one counseling, participate in online or group nutrition classes, and be provided educational materials. Be sure to let us know what you'd like to learn or if you need help with something. We are ready to help you and answer any questions you may have about breastfeeding. WIC has health professionals, including lactation consultants, registered dietitians, and nurses who can answer your questions. We also have peer counselors who are mothers who have breastfed their own babies and are eager to support you through your breastfeeding journey. At WIC, you'll get information about other programs that can help you and your family. WIC can refer you to those programs. Many WIC clinic locations also offer immunizations, well-child exams, family planning, and other health services. Being on the WIC program does not affect your ability to be on any other program. Eligibility requirements. WIC serves pregnant, postpartum, and breastfeeding women, as well as infants and children until their 5th birthday. You'll need to meet the following requirements to qualify for WIC. You need to live in the area served by your local health department. For your first appointment, bring a current bill or rent or mortgage receipt that shows your street address so that we can make sure you're signed up with the right health department. Your total household income must meet the WIC guidelines. To confirm your income, you'll need to show all pay statements for the last 30 days for each person in your household who works. You can bring them with you to your first appointment or show them on your smartphone. Your income automatically qualifies you if you participate in Medicaid, the SNAP program, or the Family Employment Program, also known as TANF. Just bring your current Medicaid card or a letter from one of these other programs with you to your first appointment. You need to show identification for each family member applying for WIC. This may be a picture ID, birth certificate, or current Medicaid card. For infants, WIC accepts a hospital document, crib card, or bracelet with their last name and date of birth. Bring these with you to your WIC appointment, or WIC staff can tell you how to send in a picture of your documents before your appointment. WIC is an equal opportunity program. Any information requested about your racial and ethnic background is for record keeping only. They do not affect your eligibility. You need to have a nutrition-based or medical condition to qualify for the WIC program. This is determined by a WIC health professional at your first WIC appointment. They will measure the height and weight of you and your children, and they may take a small blood sample to check your iron levels. A WIC health professional will talk with you about these results. They will ask you questions about your family's eating habits, current and past medical conditions, and talk about any other nutrition-related concerns you may have. They're here to listen and answer your questions. You'll get a Utah WIC card once you're approved for the program. This is a debit-type card used to purchase WIC foods at the grocery store. Healthy foods for you and your children will be issued to your WIC account. These are called food benefits. If you have a smartphone, you can download the WIC Shopper app. This app will help you while you shop. It shows what you can buy and keeps track of your food benefit balance. Your balance is automatically updated after each purchase. This means you'll be able to see what foods you have left to buy for the month. When you download the WIC Shopper app, choose Utah as your state and add your WIC card number. The app has many useful features. What foods does WIC provide? WIC provides a wide variety of nutritious foods for your family. WIC provides fruit and vegetable purees and iron-fortified infant cereals for babies ages 6 months and older. Babies who are only breastfed also receive infant meats for extra iron. WIC provides infant formula when needed, but may not provide all the formula your baby needs. Women and children aged 1 year and older get 100% juice that has vitamin C. WIC offers a wide variety of hot and cold cereals. WIC-approved cereals are low in sugar, fortified with iron, and most are made of whole grains. WIC also provides several other whole grain foods, such as whole grain bread, whole wheat pasta, and brown rice. These foods are great sources of B vitamins, vitamin E, and fiber. WIC provides milk and other dairy foods like yogurt and cheese. These foods are good sources of protein, calcium, vitamin A, and vitamin D. Women and children aged 2 years and older will receive low-fat or fat-free dairy foods. Whole-fat dairy foods are only given to children aged 1 year old or in special situations. WIC provides eggs, beans, peanut butter, canned fish, and tofu. All of these foods are good sources of protein. Vegetables and fruits are a very important part of a healthy diet. A cash value benefit will be issued to your account so you can buy fruits and vegetables each month. You can choose what types of fruits and vegetables to buy. Choose produce in season and on sale to get the most from your fruit and vegetable benefit. If you try to buy more vegetables and fruit than the total amount allowed on your account, you will be able to pay the difference after the WIC benefit is used up. Keep track of the foods you have left on your account and choose package sizes that let you use all of your family's benefit without going over. WIC staff will give you a shopping guide to help you learn what brands and package sizes you can buy. Contact your clinic before making a purchase if you need to make a change to your WIC foods. Once you make a purchase with your WIC benefits, any food changes will have to wait until the next month. How to buy your WIC foods. Let's take a look at how to get your WIC foods. Each family will receive one WIC card with their account number printed on the front. Your family's monthly food benefits will be added to your account. You'll receive a food benefits list that shows the types and amounts of foods your family can buy with your WIC card. This printout shows the beginning balance of food for each month. You can also view your available food benefits for the current month on the WIC Shopper app in the My Benefits section. Your account may be issued up to 3 months of benefits at a time, but you will only be able to use the benefits for the current month at the store. Each month, your benefits expire on the last day of the month at midnight, so be sure to purchase all the foods you need before the month ends. When you get your card, you'll need to activate it by calling the WIC card customer service phone number printed on the back of the card. Select a 4-digit personal identification number or PIN. This must be done before you try to shop at the store. You'll need to know your zip code and date of birth. Choose a PIN that you won't forget. Don't write your PIN on the card. If you ever forget your PIN, you can reset it by calling the phone number on the back of the card. You can add another person you trust as your proxy or alternate shopper, such as a family member or friend. They can help you when you're sick or unable to shop or pick up your WIC benefits on your own. Please tell WIC staff who you would like to add to your WIC account. They must show their ID to WIC staff and learn how to use the WIC card before you share your PIN with them. Keep your WIC card in your wallet or another safe place. If you take good care of your card, it should last for many years. Bring your card with you to each WIC appointment. WIC approves specific brands and package sizes that can be purchased with your WIC benefits. You can shop for WIC-approved foods at WIC-authorized grocery stores. Most stores have a sticker at the entrance that lets you know they accept the Utah WIC card. A list of authorized stores can be found on the WIC Shopper app and at your WIC clinic. Take your WIC card and benefits list with you to the store. You can also verify your benefits on the WIC Shopper app or go to any grocery cashier or the store's customer service counter to ask for a WIC account balance receipt. You do not have to buy all of your WIC foods in one shopping trip. It's best to shop throughout the month. That way you'll have fresh food all month long. WIC foods are not meant to be shared. They should only be used by you and your children. It is your responsibility to know which foods you can buy and the package sizes allowed. Some foods have to be a store brand or a store's private label. These brands meet the WIC nutrition requirements and usually cost less. They save the WIC program money so we can serve as many people as possible. The Utah WIC Program Shopping Guide and WIC Shopper app tell you which brands and packages of food you can buy. Be sure to take the shopping guide with you or use the app when you shop. Many stores have shelf labels that will tell you which foods are WIC approved. These can be helpful, but sometimes they may be out of place. Even if a food is labeled as WIC approved, it does not mean it is available to your family. Not all WIC foods are available to all WIC participants at all times. The food you purchase must be on your account. If you're not sure a food is WIC approved, use the WIC Shopper app to scan the barcode. Not all fresh fruits and vegetables will show as WIC allowed when scanned with the WIC Shopper app, but you should still be able to purchase them. The foods in your account will be recognized as WIC-approved foods when you check out at the register. Foods will be paid for by WIC only if they are WIC-approved and issued to your family's account. For example, if you choose a container of milk that's a different fat content than what was issued to your account, the milk will not be recognized as a WIC-approved food and won't be paid for by WIC. You would have to pay for it with another form of payment or remove it from your purchase. Stores can't let you buy WIC foods with your WIC card if they aren't on your WIC account. It's important to know what's on your account and review your purchase before you approve the payment. You can only remove or exchange items before you pay. WIC can't reimburse you for items you paid for with your own money. Ask WIC staff if you have any questions about what foods are allowed. Report items you weren't allowed to buy through the WIC Shopper app if you think that they're WIC allowed and on your account. WIC staff will determine whether the food can be approved and let you know what they find. Ask store staff if you have trouble finding a WIC food that you need. Follow the cashier's instructions when you use your WIC card. You don't need to separate your WIC foods from non-WIC foods or other items you want to buy. These can be bought in the same purchase, but you must always pay with your WIC card first. Swipe your card and enter your PIN on the PIN pad after the cashier scans all of your items. Your PIN is the number you chose when you called to activate your card. After the PIN is entered, you'll be provided with your beginning balance receipt and proposed utilization receipt. The proposed utilization receipt shows the items that WIC will pay for. If you agree, press the Yes button on the PIN pad. This approves the WIC portion of your purchase. If you don't want to complete your WIC purchase for any reason, select No and work with the cashier to remove or change items as needed. After you've paid with your WIC card, pay the remaining balance with another form of payment such as SNAP EBT, credit, debit, or cash. You should receive a receipt for your WIC purchase and an ending account balance receipt. Keep your receipts so you know what you have left on your WIC account the next time you shop. Many stores accept WIC purchases at self-checkouts. Ask a cashier or check the WIC Shopper app if you're not sure if the store accepts WIC at self-checkout. Ask to speak with the manager if you have any concerns about your shopping experience. WIC participant rights and responsibilities. Each WIC applicant must read the Rights and Responsibilities form. You must sign that you agree to provide correct information to WIC and follow the WIC rules. Be respectful and courteous to WIC staff and store employees. Tell WIC staff if you have stopped or reduced breastfeeding. Give correct information about your health, address, and income. Don't use your WIC card to try to get cash or unapproved items. Don't return WIC food for cash or credit. Don't sell or give away your WIC foods or infant formula. This is illegal. Please return any extra WIC foods you don't need to the clinic. If you do not follow the WIC rules, you may be asked to repay the program or your benefits may be suspended. If you believe you're not being treated fairly, please talk to the supervisor at your WIC clinic. We're happy you've chosen to join us at WIC. We're here to help. More information can be found at our website at wic.utah.gov. This institution is an equal opportunity provider.